Hello friends, let's create a squishy free transform effect very quick right on the timeline. Without any ado, let's go into it. So just place your clip on the timeline and then go to the effects library. In the effects library we go to the OpenFX, search for the transform in the Resolve FX transform, drop it on our footage, close the effects library, and then we open the inspector, and then you should see your transform OpenFX right here. The first thing that we do is we change the control mode from sliders to interactive canvas, and this opens this tool for us, this OpenFX overlay. If it doesn't emerge, just make sure that you have chosen it in the drop down menu and that you have activated it. You can toggle it on and off like this. And we go to the animation, and here we keyframe the animations. I put a keyframe on the first frame, and from now on every keyframe will be generated automatically. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to start as it is. Then I go a little bit into the clip and then I drag the corners so that I have this tilted effect. Then I go a little bit further, change them again. You can also just grab certain parts of your overlay and then drag and drop just like you want, so you can create the most crazy effects with this. And you will see that every keyframe is created automatically. Let's go to the end position, and there we do a little bit of this. Let's get a bit crazy here, and there you have it. So let's have a look how this animation looks in full screen. I hope you like it, have fun with this, and have fun watching the rest of this playlist. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.